Here I have WIKO Harry, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Google Backup feature on this device. So first of all, you have to open Settings, then you have to go to the Backup and Reset section, then you have to enable this Backup My Data feature here, then add your backup account. Of course, you will need an internet connection to add your account. Here you have to enter your email number or phone number, email address or phone number. Tap Next. And next you have to enter your password. Tap Next. Next you have to agree with Google's Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. And for the last thing, tap Accept here. And your device will be ready to be backupped after that. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.